What products make the most money on Amazon? This is a frequently asked question, and if you are thinking of getting started on Amazon, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a strategy that we follow at the Amazon Sellers Society called the Amazon Micro Mart strategy. On Amazon, you can decide to sell one main product, which will require a high investment, potentially have a high risk, but will also yield a high return. Or you can decide to adopt the Amazon Micro Mart strategy, meaning you can sell multiple products with low risk, low investment, however, getting a medium to low return. For a market like the Middle East, we've seen that the Amazon Micro Mart strategy tends to be the right way to consider selling on Amazon. If you want support from the Amazon Sellers Society, we're happy to tell you a little bit more about a program that we've designed that follows the Amazon Micro Mart strategy, in which we can help you launch your products on Amazon if you are new to the platform, called the Done For You service program. Reach out to the team on our website right here, or you'll find the link in the description box of this video. Book a call and learn more about the Done For You service. Of course, for today's video, we're going to be using Amazon.ae, Amazon in the UAE, and we're going to be looking at the best-selling products. You can find bestsellers right here, normally in the menu, or you can click on the hamburger menu here and click on bestsellers. As you can see on Amazon, there are multiple categories, and now we're looking at the bestsellers in each category. Let's check out all of the categories that are showing up. Look at this product, which is showing up as number 2 in bestsellers in appliances. Clearly not an appliance, but it's a smart thing to add your product in a category that normally doesn't have a lot of unit sales. But let's look at the product itself. At the Amazon Sellers Society, we focus and use a tool called Helium 10. If you are an Amazon seller, using tools and softwares can be very beneficial because they can provide you information fast. And that's exactly what you need to do when you are an e-commerce seller. You need to move and pivot very quickly. If you would like to subscribe to Helium 10, we've got a discount code specially for our followers. You'll find it on the screen right here, or simply click the link in the description box of this video and go directly. You'll get a discount of 20%, which is a value of around $120 over the next 6 months. Because I have Helium 10 in my Chrome extension toolbar right here, as you can see, I can see this quick snapshot of what's happening with this product. So I can see what the listing health score is, what are the last 30 days, FBA fees, and other things which I'm going to explain to you. However, I want to show you this new feature that has been added by Amazon. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is this a good feature for Amazon sellers or not really? So it showcases how many people have potentially bought the product in the past. And also sometimes it shows how many people have just viewed the product. So this is an additional way that Amazon is testing out to see if they can improve conversion rates or people purchasing the product. Straight out of the gate, what I love about this product is that the seller has decided to sell multiple quantities and multiple sizes, which is, kind of a tough investment to get started with because there are so many different options, but also a smart thing to do because you'll be able to capture whatever price point the customer has. So if somebody only has the budget to buy a set of 2 or a set of 14, you'll be able to catch that customer without them leaving your product page or going somewhere else. So let's click on the Helium 10 extension right here. And what we're going to be using is the X-ray. What X-ray does is basically tries to analyze the sales over the past 30 days of that particular product. And as you can see, we're looking at all of the different variations because the seller here is selling multiple variations. But on average, the seller is doing for the, would that be the best selling product? Let's click on revenue so that we can get the highest selling to the lowest. So the one that's making the most money is the set of 14 bins, selling at about 232 units per month and generating 26,000 dirhams in sales. Not bad at all. This product would be definitely a product that it would be under the Micro Mart launch strategy, small sales or medium to low sales with medium to low revenue, but very, very low risk product and easy to launch on Amazon. Now, it's a little bit difficult, this product, because as you can see, there's not really a lot of customizations done to it. And thus you'll find so many other resellers in the same listing because this is not really a private labeled product. So try to avoid selling products like this that are just very simple products, which you can find directly in China, because what's going to happen is you're going to find a lot of resellers trying to sell the same exact product inside of your listing. Let's go back and let's look at another potential product. I know I get a lot of comments from people saying, is fashion a good product to sell on Amazon, clothing or fashion accessories? Let's look. I myself would not really recommend fashion because of so many issues with that category, especially the very high return rate. However, of course, it's an incredible category because it's a very fast moving category on Amazon. Now, check out this product, selling at 25 dirhams, very low selling price, is number 35 in the fashion category. Let's look at it and let me tell you why this is an interesting product. This product is currently number 1 in the subcategory, which is women's earrings. And as we saw earlier, it is also doing quite well in the main category, which is fashion. As you can see here, 200 plus bought in the past month. Also same thing from Amazon, multiple colors. Now, right now, the winner of the buy box is Saturn AE, selling internationally at 25 dirhams, very low price. However, there are other resellers that are selling the product via, from the US directly or other places as well. The reason why this is such an interesting product, because this would fall under the seasonal or trendy product. This is, these earrings are a dupe, an alternative to very expensive earrings. Let me show you. So this is the actual brand that has developed and created this design called Bottega Veneta, which is a very well-known luxury brand. And on their website in the UAE, the earrings are still coming soon. They always sell out. And these same exact earrings are for 2,000, well, of course, not the same exact earrings, because this is the actual luxury version of the earrings, but they sell for 2,650 dirhams. So very, very, very different price. So a lot of ladies would like this product, but do not want to pay this price. And that's the reason as to why the product is so popular. This particular design is so popular on Amazon. I said it's very much a trendy product because obviously fashion comes and goes, and these earrings are now in fashion. Maybe 2 to 3 months down the line, they will no longer be in fashion, but this is a cool product to sell because it will generate some revenue. Let's go back. Let's use the Helium 10 extension and let's see how much money this product is generating. And there you go. So the product is selling at about 77 units per month, but at a very, very low price point and generating around 2,000 to 3,000, maybe even less than that per month in revenue. Some colors which are selling at a much higher price point, probably because there are not any local sellers. So the black version is selling at 69 dirhams and thus generating a little bit more, but it's an okay product, and it's a very, very low margin product, but it is a very fast moving product as well, and very low risk because you don't really need to create demand for this product. But let's see approximately how much profit the sellers are making. Again, Helium 10, and we'll select profitability calculator. Now, I would suggest if you want to use this correctly, that you also try to find exactly how much would be the cost of the product if you were to buy it from China and ship it all the way to Amazon in the UAE, so that you can get an accurate profitability. Here, what Helium 10 is doing, they're giving us an estimate of what would be the manufacturing cost as well as the shipping cost for this product. So right here, the product on average is selling at 36 dirhams. These are the dimensions. Also, the good thing about this product is that it's so small. So the FBA fees are going to be low, and international shipping is also going to be low. So this is considered a standard envelope size tier. It's only 600 grams shipment per unit for the customer, so it's somewhat small. The unit manufacturing cost, Amazon, or rather this is Helium 10, has suggested is about 7.38 dirhams if you purchase it from China. Again, make sure that you check those numbers just to get a proper estimate. FBA fee is $650. Storage fee per month in Amazon is nothing, it's just one Phyllis. And the referral fee based on the category is 3.69. So basically, the net for this product is 52%. So the sellers here are making 19 dirhams or 52%. Now, 19 dirhams is very low, of course. But again, if you have multiple products of this type of product, then you'll be able to have a portfolio of products, and rather than stick to one product that has a very high risk and high returns, of course, but this is a different method of selling. So let me know what you think. Are you excited with knowing more information about the Micro Mart strategy? Leave me a comment in the comment description or in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you never miss another video on this channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.